guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something different for you guys. I got a haul from Sugar Milk Co. and it's very new to me, so this is my first thoughts on this stuff, unboxing. I just opened the top, haven't smelled anything yet, so yeah, let's get into it. First of all, here's the box, and inside, y'all, it is really cute how they package it. They have like little confetti strings and packing peanuts and stuff. And 1 second. It did come with my packing slip. Not gonna show it because it has my address on it. But yeah, and it also came with damage, returns, and more, like instructions just in case if you got anything that was damaged and a sticker or whatever. So let's get into this box. Hopefully I don't make a mess, but it's really, really cute. Let's see. Let's see if anything else came in here, because I did see that they normally put other things in the box. Let's see. No, I don't think anything else came in this box. But anyway, they do come in cute little boxes. I did pick up the 10 mil because I didn't want to have the big size boxes just in case I didn't like it and I would be stuck with some crap that I didn't like. But anyway, so I picked up the minis. They are a little expensive, but they do make a lot of gourmand scents. So yeah. So the first one I have up is the banana milk, and it looks like this. And these are perfume oils, so it comes with the rollerball. And I know you have to shake these up. So we're going to see. Let's see. This one is a little light, so I'm going to have to put it on my skin to see. Oh, this one smells like a banana Laffy Taffy. Oh, this is good. Oh, yes. This is really good. Yes, it does smell a little artificial, but it is giving off blueberry Laffy Taffy. Not blueberry. I don't know why I said that, y'all. Banana Laffy Taffy. Which is also my favorite one. Oh, this is really, really good. You get that banana, you get that candy-like smell to it. I am definitely going to pick up a full size of this. Next up, I had the Fluffy Jiggly Cheesecake. And y'all, these are literally $18. So yes, it's a little expensive. Let's see. Let's see. Y'all, I don't quite know about this one. It's kind of light. So this would probably be a good layering. I still smell the banana. The banana milk is really freaking good. Okay, I get a hint of the cheesecake. It's there, but it's a little light. So this would be a good layering fragrance. But it does smell good. It's not bad, just a little light. And this one is that Fluffy Jiggly Cheesecake. Y'all, I have to say that slow because I will get tongue-tied up on this one. But yeah, that's what that is. Okay, so those were the first two I got. Y'all, that packaging is like super cute. Real girly. And I did pick up a mystery box with 3 different scents in it. And I think this one was like, I want to say it was $40 for this one with the 3 scents. Let's see, how do I get this open? How the heck do I get this crap open, y'all? Hold on. There we go. Ah, got it. So, this one also, I know y'all seen the box. The box is super cute as well. This one comes with the little confetti things in it. And let's see, this is a mystery box, so I don't know what is in here. Ooh. Hold on, y'all, wait. I got some good scents in this one. Hold on. Okay, first up, it came with strawberry milk. Let's see. Okay, this one smells a little artificial as well, but I'm pretty sure, like, with all these different type of bakery scents. I smell the strawberry, but it also has like a little green or something in it. This is good as well. I really like this, y'all, but it does have a hint of something like a green note. But yes, this is strawberry milk. I would recommend it. Next up, y'all, they put in here sweet blueberry pie. Look at how cute it is. I'm gonna give y'all a closer look up after I get through them, so y'all can see. But yeah, sweet blueberry pie. So let's see, y'all. I can already smell this one. Ooh, this is so damn good. Ooh, hold on. This gives me almost like a blueberry cheesecake instead of a pie. This is freaking amazing, y'all. This is good. I really like this. Oh my goodness. I like this. Oh, it smells so good. You get like, it's got a creaminess to it. You get that blueberry. Not so much as a pie crust, but almost like a blueberry cheesecake. Ooh, I like this. And in sort of a way, it kind of reminds me of the candle from Goose Creek Blueberry Cheesecake. So if you like that candle, you would like this. This is good. And that's sweet blueberry pie. Okay, the last one up. Woohoo! Y'all, sugar cookie. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I had to make sure I didn't put that right there, which I'm pretty sure I did. Oh yeah. It smells like a fresh baked sugar cookie. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes. You get that vanilla, you get that cookie, hints of that butter. This is good. Little light because y'all know vanilla scents, but it's good. Yes. Ooh, so that was the last one. That was sugar cookie. Like I said, I did get the 10 ml in all because I didn't want to be stuck with a bigger bottle that I didn't like. But they are pricey. This one came in a box of 40. This was $40 with 3 in it. and the other two are $18 a piece. But if you ask me, it is worth it. So I'm gonna give y'all a closer up, and that's the sugar cookie. Let's see, and that was the strawberry milk. This one was the blueberry pie. And in this box, that was the fluffy, jiggly cheesecake. And the first one was the banana milk. So, out of all these, my top recommendations, if you like banana, definitely get the banana milk. If you like banana lab peppers, get it. And all of them are pretty good, but that banana milk and this sweet blueberry pie is where it's at. So, yes, this was my first unboxing, first impressions of Sugar Milk Co. I can overall say that I would definitely order again. But anyway, thank you guys for liking, watching my video. I probably have another video coming out either later today or tomorrow. We will see, depending on how I feel. But anyway, drop down in the comments below and let me know if you tried Sugar Milk Co. out before, and if you recommend any scents that I should get and try. Drop it down below. But anyway, you guys have a blessed day. Peace.